For years, eggs have been praised as the gold standard of protein, especially for older adults. Yes, eggs are healthy, but after 60, they may no longer be enough. Many seniors eat the same way they did at 40, yet feel weaker, slower, and less steady. This isn't normal aging. It's often silent muscle loss, called sarcopenia. As we age, muscles become less responsive to protein. The amount that once worked stops protecting strength, balance, and independence. Doctors are now admitting something surprising. Seniors need higher quality, more concentrated protein, not just healthy food. Research shows muscle loss can happen even when weight stays the same, which explains why many feel tired. Here's where it gets eye-opening. Scientists are shocked to find that some everyday foods provide far more usable protein and muscle-supporting nutrients than eggs. Certain options deliver many times more protein per serving, while being easier to digest and cheaper. These foods don't just feed muscle, they protect it. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 foods, each outperforming eggs in a different way. Stay with me, because the last one surprises doctors. If this matters to you, like and subscribe for trusted health guidance. Food number 1 is chickpeas. Yes, the same humble chickpeas many people think of as a carb or side dish, but doctors are now paying close attention because chickpeas quietly deliver far more muscle support than most seniors realize. When you compare protein by weight, 100 grams of cooked chickpeas provide more usable protein than one large egg, and when eaten in real portions, they can far exceed eggs without stressing the body. But protein is only part of the story. Chickpeas bring fiber, iron, magnesium, and folate together in one food. This matters after 60 because muscles do not rebuild with protein alone. Fiber slows digestion just enough to improve amino acid use, helping muscles actually absorb what you eat. At the same time, fiber improves insulin response, which allows protein to reach muscle instead of being stored as fat. Researchers studying aging and nutrition have found that people who eat legumes regularly lose muscle more slowly over time. This is not theory. Clinical data shows better grip strength, improved walking speed, and steadier energy levels in older adults who include chickpeas several times per week. Doctors are surprised because chickpeas were never promoted as a muscle food, yet they quietly protect strength. Digestion is another reason chickpeas shine. Many seniors struggle with eggs due to heaviness, reflux, or nausea. Properly cooked chickpeas are gentle on the stomach, especially when soaked and softened. The fiber feeds healthy gut bacteria, which further improves nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation that weakens muscles. What makes chickpeas powerful is how easy they are to use. You do not need large bowls. A small serving added to soup, blended into a smooth mash, or mixed into a soft stew is enough. They can be seasoned lightly and eaten warm, which many older adults tolerate better. This makes consistency easy, and consistency is what protects muscle. Chickpeas also offer something emotional. They change the story from loss to control. Instead of fearing weakness, you gain a simple tool that works with your body. This is not about eating more, but eating smarter. Chickpeas remind us that strength does not disappear overnight, and it can be supported calmly and daily with the right food choices. Another reason doctors respect chickpeas is affordability and access. Many seniors live on fixed incomes and feel health requires expensive foods. Chickpeas are widely available, stored easily, and familiar in many cultures. This lowers stress around eating well. Lower stress matters because chronic stress raises cortisol, which accelerates muscle loss. When food feels safe and simple, the body responds better. There is also an identity shift that happens here. Chickpeas are not a supplement or a trend. They are a real food you can trust. Each time you choose them, you reinforce the idea that your body is still capable of renewal. Strength after 60 is not about pushing harder, but supporting wisely. Chickpeas help you do that, quietly and consistently, one steady meal at a time. This builds lasting confidence. Food number 2 is hemp seeds. These tiny seeds often get ignored, yet doctors are shocked by how powerful they are for aging muscles. When you compare protein by weight, Hemp seeds deliver far more concentrated protein than eggs. Just a few spoonfuls can match or exceed what several eggs provide, without the heaviness many seniors feel after eating eggs. What truly sets hemp seeds apart is protein quality. Hemp is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and rebuild. After 60, missing even one amino acid can slow muscle recovery. Eggs are helpful, but hemp seeds provide a broader and more balanced amino acid profile that muscles can actually use during aging. Hemp seeds also support the body beyond muscle. They are rich in omega-3 fats and magnesium, two nutrients that quietly decline with age. Omega-3s reduce joint stiffness and improve blood flow, helping nutrients reach muscles faster. Magnesium supports nerve signals and muscle relaxation, which lowers cramps and improves recovery after daily movement. Digestion matters more than most people realize. Many seniors struggle with bloating or discomfort after protein-heavy meals. Hemp protein is naturally soft and non-irritating. It does not clump in the stomach or demand strong digestion. This allows older bodies to absorb protein more efficiently instead of wasting it. After 60, the body faces anabolic resistance. This means muscles stop responding well to protein signals. You can eat enough protein and still lose strength. Hemp seeds help counter this problem by delivering easily absorbed amino acids along with fats that reduce inflammation. Together, they send a clearer signal to muscles that it is safe to rebuild. Using hemp seeds is simple. You do not need to cook them. A small sprinkle on yogurt, soup, or vegetables works. They blend smoothly into smoothies or soft foods without changing taste. This simplicity matters because habits stick when food feels easy, not forced. There's also something empowering about hemp seeds. They prove that size does not matter in nutrition. Strength does not always come from large meals or hard effort. Sometimes it comes from smart choices that work quietly in the background. Each time you add hemp seeds, you support joints, muscles, and circulation together. For many seniors, hemp seeds restore confidence. They reduce fear around eating protein and ease worry about digestion. This food reminds you that your body is still responsive. Renewal is possible. With small daily actions, strength can be protected, movement can feel easier, and aging can feel more steady and supported. This combination of benefits is why nutrition researchers now recommend hemp for older adults who want steady strength without strain. It fits into real life, not perfect plans. Over time, these small seeds help shift identity from fragile to capable. You are no longer reacting to aging, you are guiding it, calmly, one thoughtful meal at a time, with trust in your body's ability to respond with patience, consistency, and quiet confidence. Food number 3 is seitan, also called wheat protein. Many seniors have never heard of it, yet doctors are stunned by its strength-building power. When you compare protein by weight, seitan contains dramatically more protein than eggs. In fact, gram for gram, it is one of the most protein-dense foods available, which is why it quietly outperforms many animal sources. Seitan is made from wheat protein isolates. This means most of the starch is removed, leaving behind concentrated protein that directly supports lean muscle. For older adults, this matters because muscle loss often happens even when eating enough calories. Seitan delivers protein without excess volume, helping muscles get what they need without overloading digestion. There are myths around wheat protein, so clarity is important. Seitan is not for everyone. If you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, this food should be avoided. But for seniors who tolerate wheat well, seitan is safe, studied, and widely used. Doctors stress this balance because clear guidance builds trust and prevents confusion. Another benefit often missed is iron. Seitan provides iron that supports oxygen delivery to muscles. As we age, low iron can quietly reduce endurance and cause weakness. Better oxygen flow helps muscles work longer and recover faster, supporting daily movement and confidence. Research on aging and nutrition consistently shows that higher protein diets improve muscle retention in older adults. These studies focus on maintaining strength, not body size. Seitan fits this approach well because it allows seniors to reach protein targets without feeling overly full or uncomfortable. Texture also matters after 60. Tough meats and dry foods can be difficult to chew or swallow. Seitan has a soft, flexible texture that can be sliced thin, simmered, or stewed. This makes meals easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Comfort increases consistency, and consistency protects strength. Seitan is simple to prepare. It absorbs flavors and works in soups, soft stir dishes, or gentle casseroles. Small portions provide large benefits, which reduces stress around eating. This ease helps seniors stay committed without changing their routines. Emotionally, Seitan offers security. It replaces fear with knowledge. Instead of guessing how to protect muscle, you have a clear option backed by science. For many, discovering Seitan shifts identity from declining to capable. Strength does not require extreme effort. It requires smart support. With the right foods, your body can hold on to muscle, energy, and independence longer than you were led to believe. That reassurance alone can restore confidence, calm, and a renewed sense of control over aging. This matters because fear of weakness often leads people to give up too soon. When food feels confusing, motivation fades. Seitan simplifies the process by offering a reliable, high-protein choice that fits real life. Used wisely, it supports dignity, mobility, and independence. Aging does not mean shrinking away from strength. With clear information and thoughtful choices, you can nourish your muscles daily and move forward with steadiness, trust, and quiet confidence in your body's ability to respond over time. Food number 4 is aged Parmesan cheese. This surprises many people because cheese is rarely seen as a muscle food. Yet when you compare protein by weight, Parmesan delivers more protein per gram than eggs. A small portion provides concentrated nutrition without large volume, which matters for older adults with smaller appetites. What makes aged Parmesan special is how it is made. During aging, proteins are slowly broken down into smaller amino acids. This means your body does less work to digest it. After 60, digestion slows and protein absorption weakens. Pre-broken amino acids reach muscles faster, sending a clear signal to rebuild and protect strength. One amino acid matters most here: leucine. Leucine is the main trigger for muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults. Research shows aging muscles need a stronger leucine signal to respond. Parmesan cheese is naturally rich in leucine, which is why doctors see improved muscle response even from small servings. Many seniors worry about lactose, and this concern is valid. Fresh dairy can cause bloating or discomfort. Aged Parmesan contains very little lactose because it is broken down during aging. This makes it easier to tolerate than milk or soft cheeses for many people. Reducing fear around digestion, Parmesan also delivers calcium and phosphorus, supporting bones alongside muscles. This combination matters for balance and fall prevention. Strong muscles without strong bones are not enough. Together, they support steady movement and confidence in daily life. Using Parmesan is simple and flexible. A light sprinkle over vegetables, soup, or soft meals adds protein without effort. You do not need large portions. Small, consistent use is what keeps muscles responsive over time. This leads to an important truth. Muscle loss is common, but it is not inevitable. Aging does not turn muscles off. They still listen, but they need clearer signals. Food choices provide those signals every single day. Each time you choose protein-rich foods like Parmesan, you reinforce control over your future strength. Balance, independence, and confidence are built from these quiet decisions. You are not reacting to aging. You are shaping it with intention. This message is not about perfection or strict rules. It is about awareness and choice. When you understand how your body changes, fear loses power. You stop blaming age and start supporting biology. Muscles do not vanish without reason. They respond to signals, timing, and quality. Parmesan offers a fast signal your muscles recognize. That knowledge alone can shift how you see aging. Instead of waiting for weakness, you act early. Instead of reacting to loss, you build protection. Small food choices repeated daily become quiet strength. It restores confidence, clarity, and hope, reminding you that strength remains possible even now today. I want to hear from you. Which of these foods surprised you most, and which will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe if you want more guidance that helps you stay strong, steady, and in control of your health as you age.